And obviously Charlotte did the rest.
Oh my God! Oh my God! What kind of game is this?
That's the key for me.
Chelsea. Enzo Maresca, you this lineup you did what? Gittins is not in this game. How can you start a game without a proper right back for kind of loud? Why will you keep James and Malo Gusto on the bench? I mean,
one box like that, that's what you're looking for.
Even João Pedro too. João Pedro is not in this game. What? This is not how world champions play. World champion does not play like this. Oh my God!
It was just a fight the ball through the defender's legs. And,
what kind of game is this? Chelsea, why are you playing? Why are you playing? What are you playing? What are you playing?
Lots of possession.
Kick this ball inside the net. Kick this ball inside the net.
They actually ended the half with one move.
Oh shit!
And that's a template for them at half time to talk about and say, that's what we've got to do. This is all 1-2 touch.
Put this ball inside the net! Inside the net!
Shifted that quickly and you got runners off the ball.
What is this?
Best opportunity really to create this wonderful 1-2 touch football.
It's okay.
Do more of that.